You've probably heard of Giada De Laurentiis. If you have, you know that she makes really good Italian food. Well, this recipe of sheet pan lasagna originated from her, and I've made some changes, but I think they're really good and you're gonna love them. All right, our first step is we're gonna put some oil in a pan. I have it set on medium. Gonna add garlic and red pepper flakes, as much or as little as you want. And let that cook for just a minute. I'm going to add my spinach, which I've already chopped. I'll lower that temperature just a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. And we're just cooking it till it wilts, and then we're going to set it aside. All right, now I'm going to put the spinach in a bowl, the bowl that I started with. Okay, now I'm going to add my ricotta cheese, and I didn't say this at the beginning, but I'm doing half a recipe. So we're going to mix this up, and then we're going to set it aside and move on to the next step. So the next step is we're going to cook the sausage, and I've taken it out of its casing. I've got a red onion, which I've already chopped, and our marinara sauce. And you can use any kind of sauce that's your favorite. Okay, now I'm going to add my onions. I'm using purple, but really whatever your favorite onion is. Now I'm going to add the marinara sauce. Okay, now I'm going to add Italian seasoning. You can add as much or as little as you want, or whatever your favorite seasoning is to use with pasta. All right, I have pasta water boiling, and I'm going to add my broken lasagna noodles. And they're only going to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. While the noodles are cooking, I'm going to let my sauce simmer. All right, I'm going to reserve some pasta water. Now I'm going to drain my noodles. They don't need to cook all the way. So that's what they look like. We're going to add them to our sauce. All right, I'm going to stir these around very carefully. And my oven's preheating to 400 degrees. I want to get them coated in the sauce before I add the cheeses. All right, I'm adding mozzarella cheese. Not all of it, just some of it. And some of our Parmesan cheese.
What kind of cheese?
Parmesan cheese.
What kind of cheese?
Parmesan.
There you go. What kind of cheese are you adding?
Parmesan. Parmigiano Reggiano to be specific.
It's late. Your words are mixed.
I know. So I have 2 sheet pans here. Like I said, I'm doing half a recipe. This is my smaller sheet pan, which I have sprayed with cooking spray, and my larger one, which I think will work out better because it's easier to pick up, and this one is not very deep. So just in case. So I'm going to pour this in our pan. So this is our base layer, basically. I'm spreading it around. So unlike a traditional lasagna, there would be layers, but this is spread out more rustic. So I'm dolloping the ricotta mixture. Remember, this has got our spinach in it and our seasonings. There we go. All right, now back to our cheeses. Parmesan cheese. Just spread it around. All right, this is our mozzarella. And whenever possible, shred it yourself. The results are so much better. They put wood pulp in the prepackaged shredded cheese so that it doesn't stick together. And it affects the way it melts, it affects the way it tastes. If you shred it yourself, you actually save money because you get more cheese out of it. All right, it's ready to go in. So 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. Now we're gonna have to wait. Now it's time to try sheet pan lasagna.
Wait just a doggone minute.
Oh no, it's time for Mark's story time.
Hey. Who did you get this recipe from?
Giada De Laurentiis.
My brother gave me for Christmas a few years ago a cookbook by Giada
De Laurentiis.
Yes, it was amazing. There's as much cooking as her in beautiful, cute outfits. If you don't know who she is, she's on the Food Network. She hosts a show. So Brigitta says, hey, we're going to make this recipe. And I said, oh, cool. Let me go in the bookcase over there by the fireplace and pull up my book, and I'll show it to everybody.
Nope.
Would you care to tell the viewing audience what you did with my cookbook? My Christmas gift?
From years ago. I donated it to the library or Goodwill or something like that.
Why?
Because you can watch her on TV.
I know. Why would you give away my cookbook of Giada? I was hoping to get her to sign it someday.
You got me. You don't need Giada.
True. One Italian woman in your life
is enough.
Is enough. All right. With that aside, let's eat.
Getting hungry here.
Hi, Giada, if you're watching. Send me a cookbook. Oh.
Yummy.
The crispy edges.
Yeah.
Okay. I love lasagna.
And we haven't had it in a long time.
But this is like mono lasagna, like single layer.
Yes.
Rustic.
It is. Definitely rustic. I like that.
It's beautiful.
And I put basil on top, or if you don't want to use basil, you can put parsley.
I went out to the pool and cut the basil out of the pots.
What did you cut?
The basil. The basil.
Yes, you did.
We're growing our own basil, and it's going swimmingly.
So I have to keep finding recipes where I can use it, because now it's growing out of control.
It's like a bush.
Yum, this is great. Well, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. 2 videos a week. And we'll see you next time with another great recipe. And of course, the recipe's in the description box.
Cheers, friends.
What he said.
Yum. I like this better than regular lasagna.
You don't have to fuss with all those sheets.
No, you don't.
Getting them just right, and then having them fall apart.
Good job. Can I have a kiss? Mm-hmm. Can I have more of a kiss than that?
No, we're eating.
Oh, you always have an excuse.
Mm-hmm.